Hello all, I'm Shilpa Pimpalkar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for this session of Join Queries with MySQL. Today we'll see join query types and its execution with MySQL. First we'll discuss why join queries are required in DBMS. SQL join allows you to fetch data from multiple tables. If you are designing any application where two or more tables are created and you want to generate reports based on these tables, you can use SQL join, which allows you to create report based on multiple tables. There are various types of join. For example, cross join or Cartesian product, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. These left, right and full outer join, these are variations of outer join. If we broadly classify types of join, it is inner join and outer join. We'll see one by one how to execute the queries of join using MySQL. First we'll discuss example of tables for cross join. Cross join or Cartesian product is a type of join which returns Cartesian product of rows from the tables in join. It will return a table which consists of records which combines each row from first table with each row of the second table. For example, if we have first table as employee and second table as department, in case of Cartesian product, result of join will consist of each record is associated with a record from second table. Right? So you can see here for employee ID 1, we have 3 records generated. Cartesian product will associate each record from first table with each row from second table. So this is for employee name Sneha. These are records generated in the join. So this is join result for Cartesian product. For executing or for generating this Cartesian product of this employee table and department table in MySQL, you need to create these tables. These tables are created employee table and department table, and you can write query select star from EMP and department. It is giving you information from two tables. It is generating Cartesian product of employee and department table. As you can see here, each record from first table is associated with these tables. So you can see 1 to 4 associated with department ID 1, department ID 1, 1 to 4 associated with department ID 2 and department ID 3. This DID column is belonging to employee table. So values are 111. These are actual values of these employees, and this DID is from department table. So as we have discussed, each row from first table is associated with every record in second table. So total 9 records are generated in resultant. Next we'll see what is inner join. Inner join generates result which is based on matched data as per equality conditions specified in the SQL query. In case of Cartesian product, we are not specifying any equality condition. In inner join, you specify equality condition, that's why it is also called as equijoin. Now we'll see example for inner join. Here I am considering employee table and department table. This is employee table and this is department table. Here inner join works on some equality condition. As you can see in resultant, records are generated from two tables, employee table as well as department, based on equality condition of common column, that is department ID. So how this data is processed or joined, that we'll see. First record Neha with department ID 1 will be matched on equality condition this 1. So you can see here it is joined with department com. Again, for generating result of inner join for second tuple, it is based on equality condition of DID. Like this, records are generated. Total 4 records are there in first table based on equality condition, result is generated in inner join. So you can see it is correctly joined with a relevant department name based on equality condition of DID. This is demonstration how query is executed in MySQL. Assuming you have created employee table and department table, you can apply inner join based on equality condition E.did is equal to D.did. ID here 111. It is showing in resultant it is joined for DID as 1. Next we'll see outer join and types of outer join, that is left, right and full outer join. Outer join is based on both matched and unmatched data. Inner join is based on only equality condition. Outer join is further subdivided into left, right and full outer join. Left outer join returns result set table with matched data from two tables and then remaining rows of the left table and null from the right table. So as to understand the function of this left outer join, I'll show you. This is Venn diagram for left outer join, where in resultant you'll find from a left table all records are fetched, and for the rows which are matched from right table, null values will be added. So as to demonstrate this concept, I'm using here tables which are created in MySQL. Same example, employee table and department table. If you take left outer join, on EMP and department, here left table is EMP, so you'll find all the records from left table are present here. All records from left table are present here. If matching value is not found, from right table, it is null recorded in the join. It is recorded as null in left outer join. In case of a right outer join, it is again based on a matched data and remaining rows of the right table will be added in a right outer join. If you are using right outer join, this is Venn diagram of a right outer join, where records based on equality condition, records will be fetched in the join result from a right table, and for unmatched values from left table, null will be added. So as to demonstrate this concept, I'm using queries of MySQL, where you have again EMP and department table. We'll see how it is applied. This is syntax for a right outer join. Here right table is department. All records from department table are added here. All records from department are added here. For records which are not having any matching value, it is displaying null. Since in our table department ID is present as 1 in employee table, employees with department ID 1 are having associated with it department name, but here we have in department table department information is there, employee is not joined or appointed for those departments. That's why in left table null values are added for employee name, employee, for all the employee information. This is about right outer join, which is fetching information from the right table. All records from right table will be fetched. Now next we'll see full outer join. In MySQL, full outer join query directly cannot be executed. So full outer join here returns a result set which is table with matched data, and then remaining rows of the both left and right table will be added. So as to simulate full outer join in MySQL, you need to take union of left and right outer join. Result of left outer join union with a right outer join. It gives you contents which are matched, and then it fetches record from both table from left as well as right. So you can see here for department employee information is not there, and here these employees are present but DID 8 is missing here. DID 8 is missing here. This is example of full outer join. Actually, when you create any application based on multiple table, for interlinking those tables you add some constraint like foreign key constraint, referential integrity constraint you add in that. This example I have created so as to simulate or so as to show you how this left and right outer join works. But when you are working on any real application, this is not allowed, that it will not be there. It will not be assigned as department ID if department is not existing. That you can make sure with the help of referential integrity constraint. That you can make sure with the help of a referential integrity constraint. Here with left outer join you can see 1 2 4 6 7 records are there, but for 1 to 4 matching department IDs are there, that is com. For 6 7 it is not there in a right table, so null is added. For department ID 2 3 we don't have any employees assigned, so it is showing here values as null, right? So this is a demonstration of join queries. We have seen Cartesian product, left inner join which is based on equijoin, outer join that is based on left, right, and full outer join. These are the variations in outer join. Thank you for watching the video.